now a joint statement by Edmund Rice International Limited.
Mr. President, the South African Constitution guarantees the rights of all people with disabilities, including children, to freedom from discrimination and equal access to services. The Promotion of Equality and Prevention of Unfair Discrimination Act obliges the state to adopt special measures to ensure that all people with disabilities have meaningful access to their rights. Children with disabilities face limited access to their most fundamental rights. They are less likely to have an adequate standard of living than their non-disabled peers, with 57% of disabled youth living in permanent houses compared with 62% of their non-disabled peers. Children with disabilities face a lack of accessible, affordable transport to and from healthcare facilities. Around 600,000 children with disabilities remain out of school, with 120,000 enrolled in special schools and 11,500 on waiting lists for these schools. Children with disabilities are 2 to 5 times more likely to be abused than their non-disabled peers. Children with mental and physical disabilities are at a higher risk of sexual abuse, while those with learning disabilities are more vulnerable to neglect. These facts highlight the lack of sufficient safeguarding mechanisms for children with disabilities in South Africa. Edmund Rice International and the Justice Desk Africa therefore recommends that the South African government